The front bumper is held on by a number of different fasteners, including screws, bolts, and plastic rivets. The top has 2 rivets and 2 bolts. The wheel wells have 2 Phillips head screws each, and underneath you will find 5 bolts holding the bumper to the engine splash guard. Once all 13 fasteners are removed, pull the sides of the bumper out from the wheel wells. Then you can pull the bumper off from the front of the car. Don't go far, the fog light wires are still plugged in. Unplug both fog light bulbs and you're ready to move the bumper wherever you want.